Introducing the HEMOTON Round Cake Carrier. This clear plastic cake holder is the perfect portable cake stand and container for all your delicious desserts, pies, cakes, and breads. With its stylish design and convenient features, it's a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This exquisite wrapping box comes with a lid and a handle for easy lifting, making it one of the most fashionable dessert storage containers you can own. The transparent box allows you to showcase your delectable creations while keeping them fresh and protected. Its handheld design makes it easier to carry, and the sealed design ensures there will be no leakage. Not only does this cake carrier come with a lid and a handle, but it also adopts a simple and convenient design that is built to last. The reusable and wear-resistant material ensures its practicality for long-term use. Additionally, the portable handle design makes it even more convenient and simple to carry, making it a practical and versatile product. With its lid, this cake container provides an extra layer of protection, preventing your cake from getting damaged by any dirt or contaminants. The cake box can also be in direct contact with food, ensuring a healthy and safe baking experience. The HEMOTON Round Cake Carrier is made of high-quality plastic, ensuring its durability and functionality. It measures approximately 25.00 by 21.00 by 13.00 centimeters, 9.82 by 8.25 x 5.11 inches, providing ample space for your cakes and other delicious treats. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. Get the HEMOTON Round Cake Carrier today and elevate your baking experience. This is the perfect storage solution for your cakes and treats, offering style, convenience, and functionality. Don't miss out on this must-have product for every baking enthusiast. Purchase now and enjoy the deliciousness of your homemade creations with ease.